Everyone's excited about the new bill we'll be voting on in November that is going to lower your property taxes. But as always, there's something slipped in there for the investors. So right now it's in Florida's constitution that a non-homesteaded property, meaning it is not a primary residence, cannot go up in assessed value, which is what your property taxes are based off of, by more than 10% in 1 year. Now this would be vacation homes, this would be investment properties, it would also be commercial properties, which is important for business. Now what this new bill is going to propose is that it can only go up 5% per year. This would obviously be a great draw for investors into Florida because a lot of people think, well, landlords don't need any kind of tax break or anything like that. But essentially you have to think if their property taxes are going up, generally speaking, they are not going to eat that cost. They are going to raise your rent. So as it sits right now, you have a $50,000 homestead exemption. So you get to deduct $50,000 from the assessed value of your home. So if you have a $400,000 home, you pay taxes on $350,000 rather than $400,000. So if this bill passes, it will immediately triple that homestead exemption to $150,000, meaning that that same $400,000 house would now be taxed at an assessed value of $250,000, obviously dramatically decreasing your taxes. Now what's even better is that in 2028, it will go up another $100,000 to a $250,000 deduction for your homestead, meaning that that same $400,000 house would be taxed at an assessed value of $150,000. Now, this is not applied universally across all the things that you are taxed on, namely schools. So only half of your homestead exemption will be applied towards the taxes that are collected for schools, which in my opinion is good anyway. Florida has been on the rise on education and I am all for putting money into schools. That said, what's your opinion? Leave it in the comments. Are you excited for this new tax break?